Mossberg MVP LC. LC, light chassis. This has been probably the most popular out of the whole of the Mossberg range in the UK. Great, short, compact little rifle, ideal for keepers working out of the pickup truck. You can manoeuvre it, you can lengthen the stock when you're outside. For using inside the vehicle, it's ideal, it's not too long. It's threaded to accept a moderator. Lightweight, half-fluted barrel with a chassis system made out of aluminium. Magazine is M16 or waterproof and mudproof. Takes an AR style magazine, comes with a 10 shot. You could replace that with any AR magazine, or 20 or even a 30 shot if you're on a tactical shooting range and you were trying to do some rapid fire. Fluted bolt makes it look very slick, reduces the weight and helps any dirt, etc. get extracted from that area if it ever got in there. Lightweight adjustable trigger down to £3. AR style grips which you can replace and upgrade with various Magpul type grips. Again, AR style stock, also replaceable. You can upgrade it at a later date if you want to. But more importantly is the size, the weight, the way it's so compact, and the Picatinny rail to take any form of optic or night vision that you so wish to place on it.
These chassis type style rifles become very popular, aren't they?
Once you've bought the basic kit, you can add on to it and do as much as you want with optics, different moderators, bipods, any other M-lock style add-on and accessories you can purchase.